Well, part of the reason I wanted to go to the College of St. Rose is because it's in Albany. I want to get into politics and hopefully run for office someday. And I figured going to school here in Albany would provide me with opportunities that would help me in doing that someday.
I interned for Assemblyman David F. Gann of Rochester, and that's where I was placed. I've had a really wonderful experience down here at the state legislature. I've met so many wonderful people.
The New York State legislature has always been in the forefront of policy making and a really progressive state in terms of policy making, so it's a really exciting place to be and a great experience to have.
A lot of work in the office, but very rewarding hands-on experience with the legislative process.
You can learn a lot about state government and how politics works.
If they think politics is for them, or if they don't know politics for them, I really do recommend applying for this internship just because it's an experience that you really can't get anywhere else.
This internship we got paid for on top of getting credits as well, and all of those together just made it really worthwhile in addition to all the great experience and resume building we could do here.
I had a wonderful opportunity to intern at the New York State Senate, and I got to experience working with senators and, really having this one-on-one relationship down at the Capitol building, which St. Rose just is a prime location for. Again, I knew I wanted to tap in to actually become a lawyer. So I worked hard and made my way off to law school.